once left me restless, still yearning. My heart has been aching until this day. Will there ever come a time I'll see you again? I just want you to know how much I miss you. Even now I can't seem to forget you. Your tender words and your gentle voice, I still hear them softly inside of my heart. They stay with me, they never fade away. Seeing you once healed my lonely heart, but the words I long to say stayed inside. I keep on dreaming, holding you forever. I can't let you go from my heart. Still I'm holding on through the passing years. I still wonder if that day will come. In the same old world I'll see you again. Then I'll finally share all the love I've kept, and tell you everything inside my soul. Seeing you once healed my lonely heart, but the words I long to say stayed inside. I keep on dreaming, holding you forever. I can't let you go from my heart. Still I'm holding on through the passing years. I still wonder, will our paths cross again? Through the years, your memory never fades. If I could hold you just once more in my arms, I'd speak the words I've carried all this time. When that day comes,